Give me. Look at them all.
What happens if you throw like 4 at a time?
Oh, you
Throw them.
gotta keep the ducks away.
Oh, there's a lot.
Oh my God, look at them.
I think the duck should have one, you know? Bro, he's missing them.
Man.
Do the catfish eat the ducks?
Yeah, they all eat a duck if they can fit them
Dear
in their
God.
mouth.
There's so many.
Yeah.
Wait, get them to fight, please. Please. Will they fight?
Yeah, they will.
That'd be cool.
The little bird. Oh dear goodness.
Oh, there's a lot of
It's a cat. There goes a big
Oh, I gotta
blue
get-
catfish.
Oh, white duck. Do you guys have any more?
Domestic.
We can get some more. John, you gonna hold my quarters?
I'm not giving up any quarters.
Spend the quarters. I don't have any more. If I had them, I'd be whipping them all out. Wrap up needs hands.